Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use engagement score management and how it can help you better understand and segment your contacts based on how they interact with your business. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, go to Settings and then navigate to Manage Scoring. Inside this section, you'll see some existing scoring rules that may already be available in the system. You can edit these rules if needed or create your own custom rules. To create a new rule, click on Add New Rule. Start by selecting If A and choose the type of trigger you want to use. For this example, we'll select Email Event. Select Event Clicked. Now assign the number of points. In this example, we'll add 1 point when a contact clicks an email. Now let's create another rule. Click Add New Rule again. Select Email Event and this time choose the event Spam. Since this is a negative action, we'll subtract points instead. Set the score to -2 points. Now whenever someone marks your email as spam, 2 points will be deducted from their engagement score. Next, let's create one more rule. There are a number of triggers from which you can create your own rules. Let's try another example. Next, let's create one more rule. Click Add New Rule, then select the trigger appointment status. For the event, choose Show. This event represents when a contact actually attends a scheduled meeting or appointment. Since someone showing up for an appointment is a very valuable action and a strong indicator of engagement, we'll assign 5 points to this event. Enter 5 points in the score field. Now, whenever a contact shows up for a meeting or appointment, 5 points will automatically be added to their engagement score. Once you've finished creating your rules, make sure to turn on the engagement score toggle. This step is important because it publishes your scoring rules and activates them in the system. Let's add another example. Create a new rule and this time choose the trigger Payment Successful. For this action, we'll add 2 points since a successful payment indicates a strong level of engagement. When the payment is successful, then 2 points will be added to the engagement score for that contact. Now your contacts will start accumulating engagement scores automatically based on their behavior. To view a contact score, simply open the contact. You'll see the engagement score displayed next to the contact's name, allowing you to quickly understand how engaged that person is with your business. And that's it. Engagement scoring allows you to assign points to contacts based on their actions. These points help you measure how engaged someone is with your emails, appointments, payments, and other activities. Once contacts accumulate a score, you can use that information to apply different marketing strategies, follow-ups, or automations depending on their level of engagement. By using engagement scoring, you can easily identify your most active contacts, prioritize follow-ups, and create smarter automation strategies. If you need any help, reach out to connect at pulsegrowth.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.